Hey y'all, this is A. Renee from Journal, Jot, and Jive. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, welcome to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. Okay, it is January 17th, 2023. And in today's video, I am going to set up a journal page. So by the title, it should say something like Creative Journal with Me. I only had a rest for y'all. All right, so if you've been following me for a while, y'all notice I haven't been doing any talking videos because, honey, I ain't felt it. I did not feel it. There's a saying that I say, I don't go along to get along, and I just, honey, it just won. It was not giving. I was not giving. My mood was not giving. So I said I want to do a video. I just don't want to fake it until you make it. All right, so I was decluttering a little bit because I'm getting a little overwhelmed with all of the stuff that I have, and part of that aligns with I'm just irritated with a lot of things going on in life. So I saw this, I said, oh, boom, let's go ahead and use this. That's the Thesis. So this is my personal journal, and I do not like the paper that they switched to in this, but we're gonna make this work. We're gonna make it. So I thought that was cute. That's the Thesis. So again, this is my personal journal. I do journal inside of my Hobonichi Weeks. No, why do I keep calling it Weeks? It's not a Weeks. It's a cousin. I do journal in my Hobonichi cousin, but I need to get in here. So what I'll say about this, sometimes I'll show you my Hobonichi cousin, and it's fine because nothing bothers me about showing you some of those pages, but a lot of the entries in here,
nope, you won't see those. Okay,
so this is the journal where it can get a little spicy if I needed to. Yeah, all of that. So this is where the great, the good, and the not so good resides. It goes in here. All right, so again, I'm not liking this paper. I don't have a problem with ghosting, but this just ain't it. Nonetheless, we're going to create us a page today. If you have not pulled out your journal in a while, go ahead and pull out your journal. Do something with it. So I did a video the other day. I will link it in the description. It was a no talking video. And in a minute, I'm about to get back to no talking because I'm going to go ahead and set this page up, and I'll probably come back at the end and tell you what we got going on it. Maybe. Who knows? We'll see. All right. Until then, if I don't come back and say anything, make sure you get your thoughts out on paper, because those thoughts roaming in your head, it can be a little overwhelming. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and get into it. right, y'all, that is the layout for the day. So what I did was I took some washi I've had forever, sticker books I've had forever, markers, mild liners, and pens I've had forever, and we made it work. So sometimes I like to spruce up my pages, especially if it's going to be some moments that are not necessarily the greatest. If I know it's going to be one of those not so good journal entries, a lot of times I am going to beautify the page. So when I flip back through my journal, my mind doesn't feel like, oh, let me go read over this. Or if it's a not so good moment, I'm not so like, dang. Sometimes I'm like, okay, that page was cute. So I used some distressed ink as well. I think that's about it. So this was really cool. So I hope you like it. Give it a try. Let me know if you have tried any of these layouts or if you are going to give it a try. And yeah, so tomorrow I do think I'm going to do us a debt confession video. So look out for that. All right. I'll catch you on the next one.